Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today let's review an amazing smartwatch, the IWO13 smartwatch. It's also called W56 smartwatch. And the brand is DEMOR. Let's look at the box. Today let's review the special color for the smartwatch. It's blue color and the red color. We can see on the box the brand is printed DEMOR. Okay, let's open the box to have a look at that watch. Wow, very shiny red color. And this is the blue color. Okay, let's have a look at the watch case. This is the red color. Very amazing. We can see there is a round crown button on the right side and another button, power button, at the bottom. There are totally two buttons. The round button is with red circle. Very amazing. And let's have a look at the blue one. This is the blue color. Okay, let's fix the strap onto the watch. This is the silicone strap. We can use the standard Apple Watch band to replace the watch strap. When we fix the strap, we need to press the button on the strap. Okay, it's fixed now. Let's fix the red color. It's really very amazing, the red color. Okay. Very beautiful. An amazing smartwatch. Okay, let's power on the watch. We need to press the power button for about 5 seconds. It's powered on. It started now. Okay, we can see the default watch face, a very amazing watch face. And we slide through the screen from right to left. We can see many different icons with different functions. And we can scroll the scroll button to zoom out and zoom in the main menu. Okay. And if we press the button, it's back to the previous watch face. And if we slide through the screen from left to right, we can enter the sports mode. There are some different sports patterns such as walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, table tennis, and football. Okay. And if we slide down to the screen, we can see the status, some status icon such as Bluetooth connection, battery indication, and the QR code for the application. We have to download the application on our smartphone to connect with the watch. And about the watch 6, version release time, add a new alarm, and the menu start setting. Okay, and we can also scroll the button to change the watch face directly. It's very convenient for this function. Okay, a colorful watch face, very amazing. We can also long press the screen to change the watch face. Just slide through the screen from left to or right. Okay, let's continue by the ground button. There are totally 50 watch faces on the watch. And let's check out the functions one by one. We need to change the menu style to line grid style first. Now we can see in the screen there is a line application layout. It's line grid layout for the applications. This is the phone book. We need to connect the Bluetooth with the smartphone, and after it's connected, the phone book and the can be synchronized from the phone to the watch. And this is the dial. We can make a call by inputting phone number here. This is call log. Message. This is the Bluetooth connection. We need to power on the Bluetooth first. This is the pedometer function. We can count the steps, calories, and the distance. Main menu, start setting, find the phone, sleep monitor, deep sleep time and light sleep time, heart rate sensor, and the sensor lights green when detected. Sports exercise function. Let's check out the walking. It's vibrating when counting down. Now it's monitoring now. Okay, let's stop. And this is the history data saved automatically. Temperature measurement, blood pressure measurement. This add a new alarm. Let's set the alarm at 9 o'clock. Repeat once every day. Custom, we choose every day. Okay, the alarm has been set now. This is the calendar. We can check the date. Bluetooth music. We can control the smartphone to play music on the watch. Previous song, next song, volume up, volume down. Camera we can remote control our phone to take photos by the watch. And this is the stopwatch. It's counting now. Stop, reset, language, calculator, gesture, language setting. Automatically, it will synchronize the language setting from the smartphone. We can also change the language manually by disable the auto sync function and choose the different languages. There are many languages supported: English, French, Spain, Polish, Portuguese, Korean, Japanese, Italian, Dutch, Czech, Dutch, Finnish, Turkish, Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, and so on. Okay. And this is the watch settings. We can set the Bluetooth setting, clock, sound, volume, display. And we can also reset the watch to by factory settings. It's reset now. Okay. This is the blood oxygen measurement. Sedentary reminder. Okay, let's turn on the power on the blue. Look at the blue one. Okay, this is the DEMOR IWO13 W56 smartwatch. It's really an amazing smartwatch. It's really a very nice gift for you and your family or your friend. Okay, thank you for listening. See you again.